Hi everyone, it's Deb. Welcome to Embellishments on the 11th, where each month a group of us create some kind of embellishments. It can be one, it can be many, and it can be anything we want. I've been a little short on time the last 2 months actually, but I'm still wanting to get something out to you. So let me show you what I used. I did use a little bit of this retired gorgeous grape ribbon on one of the embellishments. For all the stamping that I did, which you'll see the stamps in a minute, I used VersaFine pigment ink in Onyx Black. It's a nice, real deep black. And then this is the stamp and die set that I used. It's by Pink and Main. They're clear photopolymer stamps with these dies. And if you've been around, you saw me do seashells that were like this, like half seashell with flowers. I had also got at the same time these insects, I guess they're called, butterflies, dragonflies, and bumblebees. It's called Floral Wings is the name of it, and I think it's pretty current. I just got it not too long ago. It doesn't have a date on it that I can tell. Yeah, can't tell. Anyway, I had gotten those from Pink and Main, and I used this one sentiment on two of the embellishments. I hope you have the best birthday ever. So I stamped them. I have more to color. I just stamped a bunch of them, but I didn't get to color them all. I did use for two of the embellishments these We Are Memory Keepers Revolution nesting dies. They're sort of a flowery look to them, right? They're circles, but they're like a flower. And on those two that I die cut, I used this Pretty Flowers embossing folder that is a Stampin' Up. And to color them, I used these Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. They're not watercolor pencils, and actually I've had these for a long time. I haven't used them in a long time, and the box isn't closing. Right, there we go, sorry. I actually bought these because I took a class for jewelry making where we were coloring with colored pencils on metal. Came out really cool. I've never done it since, and I forget how. There were special techniques. My box got kind of dinged up. I must have dropped it when I went to that place. Anyway, little side story. I only have three, and two of them are sort of embellished, and the other one is just a colored in. So I'll just bring them all out. These are the three. I haven't done this one yet because I haven't decided on the paper I want to use. This one I'm going to use today. I need a birthday card for today. I'm going to hand deliver it. And then this one, this is Recollections, that paper pad I'm trying to use up. There was a hot buy of the like pastel pink color plain papers, and I ran it through the embossing folder. I actually used Stampin' Up's pumpkin pie Stampin' Right markers, the old style. I didn't buy the new ones. I can't justify it. And then all the coloring on here was done with the Prismacolor, two shades of like a pink, a magenta, and I forget the name of the other one, and a couple shades of green, an orange, and a yellow. And I stamped in the VersaFine, but what I did is I went around the edge with this Altenew marker. Actually, I think these have numbers. Yeah, this is Y608. It was in a collection, like a box of different colors. And then I took my blending brush, one of them, and used Stampin' Up's Daffodil Delight, and just put a little color on the tag to match that of the butterfly. And that's all I did with the, oh, I actually splattered this also with some Wingastella. It's hard to see it, but yeah. I did not put any other embellishments. I feel like it needs something up here or maybe ribbon on the back because I don't know what I'm going to put this on yet and what's going to be in the background. So I don't want to add those embellishments or ribbon until I figure that out. Same with this one. I didn't put any jemmies on it. This is Stampin' Up's Gorgeous Grape to go with that ribbon. A smaller size circle, ran it through that same embossing folder, Pretty Flowers. Again, use the pencils, and this one I didn't go around the edges, but I just brushed it with Gorgeous Grape. And then I took a retired color, Coastal Cabana, and flicked on speckles on the tag to kind of go with the colors in the wings. Now, when I see dragonflies, or when I've seen them in the past, like when I was fishing and stuff, they're usually mostly either all blue. These would be really pretty on vellum, coloring on vellum. I just was limited on time, and I don't have the patience when I'm in a hurry to do something like that. But this one I'm going to use today. And then, like I said, the bee, so I used pink flowers, yellow and pink flowers, and purple flowers on this one. I want to use different dyes, like maybe honeycomb style dyes and or a beehive dye that I think I have now. I just need to find it, and some bee related paper for that one. So I didn't do any further embellishment on that. So that's all I have for this month. I'm sorry it's not a whole lot, but you know, I don't need like a bazillion cards, and that's mostly what I use these for. I am needing some birthday cards. I have a couple people in September, so maybe I can use that one in September. This one I need, like I said, today. And I haven't decided on the background paper for that yet either, but it might be something to do with Coastal Cabana or Bermuda Bay. Actually, I told you that was Coastal Cabana, but it's actually Bermuda Bay. Sorry, I fibbed. Okay, so that's it. Please go check everyone else out. They'll be linked down below, and I'll see you again next month. I have been wanting to do flowers, but I think next month I'm going to actually switch gears to some fall stuff and get ready for fall, or fall or Halloween, or both. I don't know yet. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. And I'm back. I forgot to tell you, I also use this essential tag punch that I was stamping up. Duh. Okay, bye. Hi everyone. Real quick, while I was editing the first part of the video, or getting ready to, I actually sat and made this card. This is what I'm giving to someone today. This paper is pretty sure retired now. Pretty Prince DSP by Stampin' Up. I went looking for paper that had Coastal Cabana or Bermuda Bay in it, and I found that, and it worked perfectly, I thought. And these gemmies are the Glossy Dots assortment. I don't know if they carried over or not to the new annual catalog. And I also put a strip of the paper, splattered the white with Gorgeous Grape, and I used another stamp out of that same Pink and Main stamp set that says Life is Beautiful with You in it. So I hope you have the best birthday ever. Life is beautiful with you in it. So that's my card. All right, guys, I used an embellishment. Talk to you again soon. Bye.